My name is Bill Harris. We're here in Gretna, Nebraska at the Don Hummer trucking facility. This facility is specifically for truck maintenance, immediate repairs, Indy 500 repairs, if you will, drivers on the road that need something real quickly and can get going. A few years ago, when I had a need for a new building, I did a lot of work to try to design what would work for our needs. I started thinking about airflow from the get-go. We had some cheesy fans in our old facilities that just didn't cut it, and they are really just a waste of energy. They just get dirty and be in the way mostly. So getting introduced to the Entrematic fan was kind of a godsend. We really like them. They've done a good job. They've done what was advertised and exactly what they told us would do. So we're very happy with the decision that we made going to a fan like this. Here in Nebraska, it gets smoldering hot like other places in the country. The fans just do the job. They cool it down to a bearable level. We just really like how they reduce fatigue and give everybody a working chance of staying busy all day without having to sit down and find air conditioning. In this building, we chose to have in-floor heat. It's all antifreeze underneath the ground in tubes, and so the heat is a radiant from below. So with the fans on reverse, it mixes the air perfectly, and we can open the door in the middle of the winter for a couple of minutes while we're running a truck in and out, and you hardly feel any sort of change. I believe with these fans in the winter, we probably saving 20 to 25% just by being able to mix the air. I would 100% recommend these fans. They're quiet. All the mechanics love them. They love the performance. Of course, I like the energy savings, but just beyond that, you feel like you're getting a dependable unit because they're quiet. They're not growling and humming and making a bunch of noise. So whether they're starting up or shutting down, they're almost silent, just like they are now. They're just up there doing their thing, but they don't sound like they're working hard. And so I think they're really going to be a good benefit to us for a long, long time.